Have you ever thought about getting a property 4 hours, 3 hours away from your house and you're thinking, how do I manage it? So guys, look, if you're new to this channel, my name is Piers from Airbnb.com. We've worked with over 1,400 properties all over the world. And listen, something that we've done is we've gone into those accounts around the US, Dubai, UK, and got clients booking, right? So we've only looked after their booking, but you're thinking about how to manage it. So it'll be a fun video. You're gonna learn loads. Look, if you're not subscribed to this channel, please make sure you go and hit that subscribe button now. So let's get straight into the video. Now, there's two ways you can do this. You're probably thinking about self-managing it, right? Or you've got an option for property manager. Now let's talk about self-managing first. How can you self-manage a property 3-4 hours away, even to a different country if you'd like, and actually be able to run this very successfully and smoothly? Now, first thing I want to talk about, and I think the challenges people face in our industry, is what I've done a previous video about around Airbnb business is a hospitality business. So first thing, think about the communication level that you have between your clients. You have between your housekeeping team and you have between your maintenance team. There are your three key power team that we talk about a lot. Firstly, let's talk about communication with your guest. How can you replace that with something that you do not have to get involved all the time with? Now, firstly, you can do and go and hire yourself a VA. You know, hiring a VA isn't a lot nowadays, and you can really train them to actually successfully continue your guest communication in the highest level to make sure that guests are having a successful stay in your property. So that's your communication out. Now let's talk about your housekeeping team, who are generally those people who actually go there and make sure your property are looking bright and shiny. Now, I've done videos probably years back on how to reward your housekeeping team, right? So look, if you're looking to think about investing in a different city, you just need the best housekeeping team as your power team, generally also known as cleaners, right? They're the one who's gonna go clean your property, make sure if there's any problem in the property, they're the one who's gonna report you, and as a result of that, you are in a lot more control of how the property is and the standard. The last person that you need in your team is a good handyman or a maintenance team, right? It's all about building relationship in this business. Look, as a result of this, the beauty about scaling this business is when you have the right people in the right place. Now, property maintenance team, you don't have to use them. You just need to build a relationship with them. So tomorrow, if you need them, you can call them and go, hey, like, you know, we spoke about 2 months ago, I've got an issue, would you mind helping us? Now, yes, it is gonna come with a cost, but at the same time, you do not have to get involved on the daily maintenance or the running of the actual problem. Now, give you a perfect example. Previously, we've had this issue where our clients have gone in and the washing machine had stopped working, completely stopped working. Now, your guest is gonna ask you for, you know, either how are you gonna fix it? Now, 4 hours later, you're thinking, wow, how can I go there right now and try and fix it? Two options here. You can call your maintenance team, which again, you need that call out fee anyway, but it's worth it. And secondly, your housekeeping team probably will have an extra set of keys. So if you need that sorted, they can liaise together. As a result of that, you do not have to physically get involved. Now, I must say, to eliminate this, I always say to our clients, and what we do with our Grow Airbnb clients, is focus on getting longer term bookings. Now, the reason why I say that is when you've got a property 4 hours away, what you don't want to have is checking every Friday, Saturdays, you know, those little bookings that obviously can make you profitable money at the end of the month, but it's not gonna really want you to challenge on management all the time, and that's not what you want. So the next one, a slightly different topic. Now, I must say, and I will advise you that you must run a right due diligence to make sure you're the right property manager. Look, it's very easy to not be able to find the right property manager as you're going into it. You might be thinking, okay, well, they're the cheapest, you know, I'm gonna go with them, see how I get on. That could effectively cost you more money at longer term because A, are they good enough to not only maintain your property, but get you those bookings? Because when property managers get involved, they look after the whole of getting bookings to communication, maintenance, housekeeping team, pretty much everything to make you hands-free. So I think there's a separate video I've done regarding how to hire a good property manager, what exactly to look at, and as a result of that you can rely on them solely, but again, it is a fee that you're paying towards. So guys, I hope this kind of gives you an idea about how you can operate Airbnb or short-term rental in a different city, completely, you know, even in a different country, in a certain level where you just need to have the right operational setup. So look guys, if you're new to this channel, again, my name is Piers. I run growyourbnb.com. We've worked with over 1,400 properties in the short-term renter market, and we can only give you facts and figures and data from all the clients that we personally work with. We've got clients who've just started, always asking us for help. We give them enough help because we've got all these PDFs and all the guides that we've created. But also, our job is not to help them on that. Our job is actually only to create a brand and marketing for them. But we know that just giving that extra service, giving that options to help them in the operational is going to let them perform better and enjoy their short-term renter business. So look, please make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and I'll be back with another video soon.